Hey guys, welcome back to Angie Loves to Cook. Today we're making teriyaki chicken. Let's get started. To start with our teriyaki chicken, we're going to go ahead and cut up our chicken into bite-sized pieces. Now I like to season my chicken with a little salt, a little crushed pepper, pinch of Chinese 5-spice. We're just going to massage the seasoning into the meat. Now we're going to head over to the skillet and fry this up. Start off with a little olive oil in the pan. And we're going to add our chicken. Now we're going to put together our teriyaki sauce. We're going to start off with some SAKI, 2 tablespoons of SAKI, some MIRIN, 2 tablespoons of MIRIN, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Because I want a little hint of ginger, I'm gonna go ahead and trim up this piece of ginger and slice it up thick so I can pull them out later. The chicken is all done. Now we're gonna pour in our teriyaki sauce. Now we're going to let this go on a medium to high heat to let the sake burn off the alcohol and to allow the sugar to caramelize. So our chicken's been going for about 3 minutes. I'm just going to add in some roasted sesame seeds. Teriyaki chicken over rice.